everyone, I'm Jodie Shell with GrapeSEED US, and this is my buddy Marvin Monkey. Marvin and I are going to share a fun summer project for you to do with your little one this week, and it's all about healthy snacks. So we're going to make a healthy snack called Bug Bites, so your little one's going to love it already. So here's what you'll need for your Bug Bites. You'll need celery, and you'll need some cream cheese. You'll also need black olives, and you'll need small cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, some people call them. You'll also need cucumber, and finally you'll need some chives. So this is going to be really fun for you and your little one to do together. I'm going to use a plastic knife, so that would be something easy and safe for your child to use. So the first thing that you're going to do is cut a little small piece of your celery, and I'm going to do that right now with my bigger knife just to save time. So you'll cut your celery into small, like bite-sized pieces, like about this big. And then you're going to spread some cream cheese into the center of it. So I'm going to take a nice scoop of cream cheese and I'm going to spread it right in. So you could say to your child, first we'll cut the celery, next we'll spread the cream cheese. So you're using words like first, next, then, and last. So making it kind of an educational experience too. All right, then you're going to take your cucumber and cut a slice of your cucumber, and then you're going to cut that cucumber right in half. Again, I'll switch back to my child-proof butter knife, plastic butter knife, and you're going to take that part of the cucumber, that half of the cucumber ring that you cut, and set it on the back of your cream cheese on your celery like that. And now you need to make your bug's little head. And so you're going to do that with your grape tomato. And again, you're just going to cut right down the middle. And so you've cut that in half, and you're going to set your bug's head right at the front so you can see the body of the bug starting to come together. Then you're going to take your chive, and I'm getting cream cheese all over my fingers. I just tore it into two pieces, so that's going to be really simple. These are going to be your bug's little antennas, and so you're going to put one on the one side and one on the other, so you can talk to your child about put one on the right, put one on the left, that kind of thing. Again, if you'd like to make it a little bit more of an educational language-based activity. And then he needs some little eyes, doesn't he? So that's where the black olives can come in. And so I'm going to just take a little black olive, and I'm just going to cut some little tiny pieces that are going to be the center of the bug's eye. And then we're going to use cream cheese as kind of serve as the glue for your bug's eyes. So I'm just going to take a little dab of cream cheese and put it on the right, and put another little dab on the left. And I'm going to put my little black olives right there to be his little eyes. And so I'm kind of winging it right now for you guys. And there's your finished product, your little bug bite. And so I've made a few in advance so you can kind of see. Marvin can help me show them to you. How adorable and healthy your little bug bite snacks can be for your child. So have fun making this healthy snack using all kinds of fun veggies and using lots of good language, and have a great week. Thanks.